Hello, my name's Charles and welcome to Baggys Workshop. So today we're back in the pub. It's been a while since we've actually done anything here. We're still waiting for planning, so we don't want to get too much done before we actually get the planning, because we might have to just rip it back out. There are a few things which we've done though. The first one is we've actually started repairing the front door. We made it look a bit more presentable, filled in the cracks, repaired the bits of wood which need to be repaired. I didn't have a chance to record that though, but hopefully the final bit you'll be able to see later. And we've ripped out the remaining bits of the bar, just because that needed to be done so we could get on to the next bits. While doing that, we found out that there was quite a lot of rot and woodworm in the floor. So we've been a little bit busy and we've started ripping up the floor. So the next stage is I need to finish ripping up this floor. I'm going to cut it along one of the good beams just on it so we can get somewhere to fasten it to. We've got the new wood arriving and we're going to take out the current supports and rip out all the rotten wood, clean out what's underneath if we can, and then put the new bits in. This needs to be done whether we get planning permission or not, because the floor was that bad. And so today's job is to get rid of as much of this as we can. Can't pull it all up because there's bits of it which we still need to access in the building, but it will be a good way forward. So got the time lapse on, let's get on and see what a mess I can make of this. These floorboards are a bit thicker than the other ones I put up the other day, so the depth wasn't right, so I've just changed the depth. Hopefully it will go through more now. show you what I've done so far. As you can see, there's still a lot of rubbish down here, which I need to get up. Got a lot of nails to take out of that beam. That beam's staying, that one's alright. But look at this one. This is why I've got to replace it. I can see it all woodworm and rot all in there. Same for those two. I will check these ones here later, but I think this one and this one will need to be changed. Those ones back there I think are okay, but if we can change these front two at the same time, we can just get it all done properly in one go. So I'm just going to carry on cleaning this lot out now. Clean it all up, making it all nice and tidy. Have a look at these timbers here to see if there's anything which we need to replace. And on this side, these are pressure treated by the looks of it, but I'll have a look. You can get the waste pipe out, that's not needed anymore, and all these extra bits and bobs underneath, get that all cleaned out so it's all ready to go. Oh, thank you for coming, and don't forget, if you like this sort of thing, to subscribe, hit the bell notification for upcoming videos. Hopefully we can now start doing a few more bits on the conversion, and I can keep you updated with this. Okay, I'll see you next time.